Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect this solar panel to the REOLINK Argus Pro. And it's quite simple. If you have the same solar panel that is dedicated for this device, it should have the cable which ends with mini USB, and then take your camera, remove the charger if you have one, or if not, open the slot on the back and plug in this USB mini. And now this camera should charge using the solar panel if the solar panel gets any heat rays or solar rays from the sun. And that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.